it's over, it's over. Stay here, could you stay here and keep me sober, like it's over. Hold me like it's over, it's over. Stay here, could you stay here and keep me sober, like it's over.
Yo, what's good everybody? I'm telling you guys, you guys need to start your day off with a cardio session. Like, just feel great. The sun's out, sun's shining, I'm in a great mood. Cardio is over with. I gotta do a couple of things, but there is something I wanna talk about. A lot of other keto channels have been talking about this, so I'm kinda coming late to the game. But I just been getting tons of messages about it, tons of emails, so I'm just, screw it. You know what, I'll just talk about it. I'll use it as a certain topic for the video. We're gonna dive into that, but let's get inside the truck, let's get some coffee, and let's start our day. Thanks, brother. Yes, sir. See you, man. With it being such a beautiful day, we have to do this speech outside. We just have to. It's 70 degrees, the sun is shining. So much to be happy for, so much to be grateful for. Yes, if you're watching this, you need to be grateful. You're alive, you woke up this morning, you're already winning, fam. So let's talk about this keto diet being ranked the #1 worst diet in the world. Some news agency called US and World Reports. Sounds pretty legit, right? Like, you're like, damn, US and World Report, like, they must have their credentials, they must have a panel of scientists just studying this crap for like the past couple of years, and they determined that the keto diet was the worst diet. What am I doing? I've been doing the worst diet in the world. Like, everybody just calm down, all right? Don't panic, Hispanic, okay? They said that this diet called the DASH diet is supposedly the best diet. So I did a little bit of research. As you guys know, I've talked about this on my channel before. I don't really get up into this gossip crap. You know, if someone says, hey, Goody Beats, someone made a video that said you're wrong and this and that, then I'm like, okay, awesome, cool. Like, if you want to believe them, then go ahead. If you don't, then, you know, then don't. I mean, I really don't like to get into this like drama and stuff like that. A lot of other keto channels were talking about it, so I said, hey, what the heck, let's talk about it. So some DASH diet, it's like obviously a low fat, high carb diet. You snack all through the day, you eat high grains, you eat high carbs. Could that be a healthy diet? Sure, but if you're someone who definitely needs to lose a lot of weight and has trouble controlling their insulin spikes, then absolutely that is not the diet for you. Not saying that's not a great diet, just saying it's probably not gonna work for you. There's lots of reasons why I don't believe this report. One, the company that came out with this report is a media company who sells advertising. So there you go, like right then and there, it should ring bells, ring alarms. Obviously, it's like whoever paid the most is gonna be at the top. And obviously, it's very hard to make money off the keto diet because you don't really eat that much, guys. I mean, when you do keto, you're suppressing your appetite, you're not really eating, so therefore you're not spending money. Also, I know for a fact that the keto diet helps with diabetes, it helps with cancer, it helps with obesity, it helps with Parkinson's, epilepsy, and not only that, it improves your mental clarity. So there you go, that's just to name a few. I could go on and on, but I'm gonna let you guys decide. You guys do the research. If you guys want to believe this US and World Report, that's really a media company, which most likely took a big paycheck from the DASH diet creators. Now, I don't know that for a fact, so don't quote me, guys. Don't go make videos saying Goody Beats is claiming this. I'm just speculating, guys. It's all just guesses and assumptions. You can believe whatever you want. All I'm saying is that the keto diet is here to stay, and I'm gonna promote it no matter what because I believe in it. And if you believe in it, then keep doing your thing. Don't worry about these reports. You're gonna, trust me, guys, this is not going to be the last report they make talking down on the keto diet. There's gonna be more videos on Netflix and documentaries like what the hell, saying meat's the bad, this and that. And you know, look, believe what you want to believe, guys. All I can say is try it out, and if it works for you, then stick with it. If not, then you can move on. Keep watching this channel, because we keep the positive vibes, we keep the motivation going no matter what, guys. Whether you do keto or not, I still love you guys. I still want you part of my family. I still want you part of this channel. I still want you to see baby Lo grow up. I still want you to see my journey, quitting the 9 to 5 and following my passion. This channel is much more than the keto diet. Don't follow it. I still love you at the end of the day. I mean, let's keep it real. I still love you guys. So there you go. There's just my little 2 cents on this, this crazy report talking down on the keto diet. Not gonna let anything bring me down. No reports. Nobody's gonna stop this positive motivation train. It's just gonna keep rolling. It's gonna keep trucking. Drinking my bulletproof coffee. Gonna enjoy the rest of this beautiful day. We'll see you here in a bit.
12 seconds later.
Whew. Almost forgot my phone.
Follow it into the night. Follow it into the night. Follow it into the night. Follow it into the night.
All right, bro. Good workout.
It's time for a haircut.
Adios. Hasta
Hasta
luego.
luego next week.
I don't know what. Ciao. What else?
Sawadee ka. That's Thai.
We'll just send it like that. All right, workout is complete. Gonna have my first official meal of the day. I did have a keto coffee earlier, but I just got off the phone with Jason Whitrocks. This is how much of a legend he is, guys. So he hit me up and he's like, hey bro, do you wanna bring some American Metabolics like samples for people who are attending, can try out? I'm like, dude, heck yeah. I mean, I wanted to, but again, I didn't wanna ask Jason because it is Jason's event with EAS. Didn't wanna step on any toes, obviously. I was just happy that I was able to go. I overnighted some American Metabolics. So if you guys are attending this Saturday, you guys are gonna be able to taste the Keto Lift, Keto Milk, vanilla, and chocolate, and I'm just like super excited because a lot of people haven't tried it yet. We don't have sample packages, we just have like the jugs, and so you pretty much have to commit if you're gonna buy a jug. If you're showing up, you're gonna be able to try it out. Hope you guys like it. Gonna dig in. We'll see you in a bit. I'm gonna go ahead and snack on this F-bomb right here. This is a salted chocolate macadamia nut butter. 27 grams of fat in here. This is gonna be my snack because I think we're gonna go out to dinner. So you know how I was talking about how great the weather was like 2 hours ago? It was 70 degrees, it was sunny. I don't know what happened. All of a sudden, the wind started picking up. It's like 46 degrees outside. It's really, really cold. And we're all going out to eat as a family. Hey, big chunky monkey. What do you want to tell the subscribers today? What do you want to tell them? Okay, what else? Okay, I'll tell them. Oh, okay, I'll tell them that. It makes you sad. I will tell them. Oh, it makes you happy or it makes you sad? Which one is it? Oh, okay, okay. That's it. I'll tell him. I'll make sure. Oh my gosh, Lo, are you ready for dinner? Oh my God, look at these little shoes. Look at these little shoes. And your little vest. You go, girl. You go, girl. You go, girl.
Like it's over. Like it's over.
All right, so we just got to Olive Garden. That's where we're gonna eat tonight. All the family's inside. I went ahead and just parked in the front, got baby Lo and the wife in. Now I gotta drive around and look for a park spot, but it's all good. That's what being a good dad's all about. I'm sure I can find some good keto food inside. Almost positive they probably have salmon here, so I'm probably gonna get a salmon in a salad, and it's not gonna harm my keto cut, so should be good. Let's go inside, say what's up to the family, and have a good time. Alright guys, so we're all settled. Baby Lo and Crystal are sleeping in the room, so I gotta kind of keep it down, can't get too loud. At the restaurant, I wasn't able to like record and do commentary at the same time, so I just ended up recording everything I ate. So I ended up getting a salmon with some zucchini and a salad with ranch. The first salmon they brought me had like some weird sauce on it. I didn't know what it was, and plus it had tomatoes, and I just wasn't gonna risk it. I was like, bro, like I don't know what's in that sauce. Like there could be a lot of carbs, could be a lot of sugar. So I ordered it without it. I just wanted like a butter, but pretty much like butter all over the salmon. And he ended up bringing me the salmon with all the sauce on there. I was like, oh, this dude. So anyways, he took it back. He got me the right one. So they got it right. So shout out to Olive Garden. We're going to wrap up the vlog like this. The next one you see, guys, I will be in Denver for the Jason Whitrock meetup. Super excited. I can't wait to meet you guys, like you. Yes, you. I can't wait to meet you. Don't you forget, Baby Lo said to make sure you hit that button, hit that notification button so you know every time I go live, I upload a new video. Hit that notification button. I'd appreciate it. Baby Lo would appreciate it. And yeah, so we'll see y'all on the next one. Peace. Love you. Bam.